If you are looking for a good view of the nation's capital, paired with a glass of good cocktail, here's the video for you. In this video, we are highlighting some of DC's best scenic rooftop bars to help travelers or busy professionals unwind or have a nice spot to chill and relax. The first on our list, Dakota. Located in the cool Shaw neighborhood area, Dakota boasts a breezy 360-degree bar overlooking the nightlife below it. It is conveniently located just 5 minutes walk from the Shaw Howard Metro Station. The next is El Teco. Surrounded with dangling flowers, palm trees, and a tequila bottle-lined DJ booth, this rooftop bar hangout in Shaw neighborhood will remind you of Tulum, Mexico. Taco Tuesdays calls for a trifecta of tacos and margaritas or beer for $20. Conservatory DC is a glass-enclosed rooftop oasis in Ivy City neighborhood. A la carte plates like Wagyu beef tartare offers customers a taste of the chef's French-influenced cooking. The next on our list is Tiki TNT. This massive tiki bar is located at the wharf in DC, on the rooftop deck overlooking the Potomac River. The roof of Union Market sets the stage for this artificial turf-lined bar. Here, they serve pouch piña coladas, draft cocktails, and all kinds of hot dogs. Also check out my other video to see the other cool shops in DC's Union Market area. Just adjacent to Highland is Oku DC. Here you can take in the stellar view of the area around Union Market from the rooftop of this sushi spot and Japanese grill. Union Market is only 10 minutes walk from the Noma Metro Station on the Red Line. Next on our list is the Graham Rooftop in Georgetown. This scenic rooftop bar opens daily starting 4 p.m. It remains to be a hip hangout for some espresso martinis and delicious flatbreads. Salazar is a multi-level bar, restaurant, and event venue located only 6 minutes from the U Street African American Civil War Metro Station on the Green Line. It offers vibrant scenes with 4 bars spanning 3 levels and happy hour specials. Last but not least is the Colada Shop. This cute Cuban cafe off the 14th Street Northwest is known for its blue-toned rooftop, where the rum cocktails, cafe con leche, and empanadas are definitely worth trying. And that's my top list of the best rooftop bars in DC. Make sure to check them out the next time you're in town. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips. See you in the next video.